This is the Hello World Podcast.
Yeah.
Tapos yung sinasabi mo mga time trackers, when I was a freelancer before, walang ganyan. Ngayon, meron na talaga mga productivity technology tools. No?
On
So,
one hand, it's good. On one hand, it's good. Pero siguro it just doesn't fit me. I don't,
aha.
kasi it's very hard when you're a writer. Remember, I'm writer, editor ako. When you're a writer, you don't get paid by the number of times you click on the mouse or you click on your
Mhm.
keyboard. That's not how you work. How you work is that even while I'm taking a bath, while I'm doing something else, my mind is running. I'm trying to conceptualize. I'm thinking about how can I improve that story? How can I improve that article? They don't pay that because they don't see it on the tracker. So what I'm saying is that when you're on the creative side,
Yeah.
you spend a lot of time conceptualizing, improving your concepts. And when you rely on time tracker, it doesn't capture exactly the meaning of what you do. And that's why it doesn't work for me. But in many cases, it can work for remote workers who are still starting and they cannot get the balance. Because honestly, there's so many distractions. Pag wala kang time tracker, pwedeng nag-Facebook ka na pala, nag-Netflix ka na.
Correct.
Hindi mo, it's a good training for focus. But once you mastered how your body works, how to have your own focus, how to have your self-discipline, you can get rid of it. I mean,
Especially
oh,
creatives pa naman, no? May writer's block na tinatawag. And then sometimes you
oh,
incubate your ideas whenever you're doing something else.
right.
Okay. Well, talking about habits, coach, habits are not just something that comes around at a certain time. This is a product of your years of experience before. When did you first develop this? The childhood memories ka ba dito? Or previous work experiences that eventually led you to ito ang 3 habits ko. 1, 2, 3.
Childhood experiences wala, but I think being a freelancer is a good stepping stone. So to those who are, for example, if they're looking into for employment to consulting to becoming independent, ang gandang stepping stone ng pagiging freelancer. And it's also a great stepping stone if you want to be an entrepreneur. Like my journey right now. Kaya ako napunta dito, it's because of freelancing. Because as a freelancer, ikaw lahat eh. Ikaw ang CMO, ikaw ang CTO, ikaw ang CEO, ikaw lahat. Marketing, branding, and then ikaw pa yung nag-work. You do the work, you do the everything. And I think really it's a
You are
good
the product eh. Di ba? You're the product. VB Consulting is you.
yeah, that's how I started even as a freelance writer eh. Ako yung hahanap na, although in my case siguro I'm lucky then because I don't have to look for clients as a freelancer back then because I had LinkedIn. It just came
Yes.
to the point that I have so many people approaching me. So I learned how to subcontract. When I'm the contractor and then I assign some of the tasks to some subcontractors. So that's
Okay.
how I learned. I had an idea. I can create my own business because I can make this work. So I think that's the experience. Being a freelancer and having a family that you cannot have the feast famine thing. That you have to make sure that consistent yung income mo. That's a good stepping stone, and that helps me a lot in developing all of these habits. Even the habit of focusing lang physically focusing lang.
Yes.
Pag when I'm working, the people at home, they know that I'm working. Kasi you need to get the buy-in of your family if you're working from home. Pa hindi pwedeng,
Correct.
unless siguro there's fire, pwede ka na i-disturb. But otherwise, they understand. But it doesn't
Yes.
mean you tell them to come to you, but they understand whether pwede kang kausapin or busy ka. And then find the time also na hindi ka rin pwedeng kontakin ng work mo pag nasa family ka. Kaya ako, ang ginagawa kong habit, ito, mini habit, I think.
Yes. Yes.
When I'm not online, when I'm not in front of my laptop, kasi sa laptop ko halos may pagka ikaw akong konti lang siguro. Round the clock nagwo-work ako kasi nandito lang siya. And
Yes.
pag nagsisimula kang entrepreneur, gagawin mo talaga no? Kung pwede lang
Correct.
akong matulog kasi nanghihinayang ako sa oras, I want to do this and that. You can do a lot of things kapag talaga nasa
Mhm.
bahay ka.
Mm.
Pero ang
Mm.
ginagawa ko, mini habit ko is,
Mm.
pag wala ako sa harap ng laptop, nasa family ako o nasa labas kami,
Mm.
hindi ako nagdadala ng smartphone. Hindi ako nag-phone.
Mm.
Di mo pwede akong
Mm.
kontakin sa Skype, di mo ako pwedeng kontakin sa LinkedIn, kahit LinkedIn
Walang
hindi ako,
sasagot. Walang
wala.
sasagot.
There was a
Mm.
time ang dala ko yung, alam mo yung phone na Nokia na hindi smartphone. Text
Yes.
mo talaga. Text mo talaga kasi
Mm.
those people who know me, they can text
Mhm.
if it means it's important. Pero I don't take
Mm.
smartphones. If I'm AFK, I'm AFK.
Yes.
That's what
Yes.
I do. Para rin lang
Mm.
may separation. Kasi I give
Mm.
a lot of my time sa work ko eh. So when I'm
Mm.
AFK, I'm with my family. I think that's a
So
good
that's,
thing.
sabi mo nga, it's a micro habit which supports habit number 3, yung being laser focused
Focus.
on your goals and
Right.
priorities.
Mhm.
Okay?
Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.